Hey, this is Z from Trackhawk GPS, and today I'm going to show you how to install our 2-wire GPS tracker. Behind me here today is a 2012 Toyota Camry. Let's get started.
First, you want to locate your car battery, and then you want to let loose your terminals. Just use a wrench. And then we're going to grab the red wire close to here. We're actually going to end up running this under here to where we can stabilize it a little bit more. And then connect the black to the negative. And then, to know if everything's working correctly, the lights are going to be flashing. That lets you know that the tracker's online and ready to start tracking.